Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you a really very easy recipe of coconut vanilla mint scrub for your lips. This scrub will exfoliate your lips, get rid of dead skin cells and make them soft, plump and beautiful. So let me show you the ingredients, let me show you the recipe, and then I will see you in a bit. So that was the recipe. Very easy, very quick and very effective. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give me the thumbs up, comment in the comment section below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel clicking either on this icon over here or on the red button below this video. And I wish you all the best. Thank you for staying with me and I will see you in the next video.